Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. Yesterday I got this head off and that's about all I got. Put a rag over it. And to this day we went to Harbor Freight this morning. I've been wanting one of these and I finally got a good coupon for it. It's a 4-drawer roller cart. These normal price is 200 and something, like 230 or something like that. They had them on sale for $156, and I had a coupon for one for $99.99. So when you get a good deal like that, it's a good time to go ahead and buy it. Now this thing, it weighs 46 kilograms. According to this, it's 105.2 pounds, and it's pretty heavy. So I'm gonna unbox it right here on the truck because it took me and another my stepson to put it on the back of this truck. And of course it's been raining like crazy around here all night, and so hopefully I can get this done before it gets too wet. So first thing I gotta do is find my box cutter. Cut this box. I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot of assembly to do on this thing. Well, first thing we'll notice is it's pretty well packaged. I don't know if you can tell. Pretty well packaged. A lot of styrofoam. You can tell the box got damaged loading and unloading, so it may have a few dents in it. We got our keys. The styrofoam tears apart pretty easily. So it looks like this whole box is going to come out first. So let me set you up on a tripod and I'll try to get this box out. Alright guys, well, I'm going to say the easiest way to unbox this thing is to just cut the box. Here's the frame. So the box is kind of sitting in the frame. It's about a two-man job just to get this damn thing out of here. So I need to set up something to coat this to. Now I don't have anything. Yeah, a little bit fun to thing out. I'm going to try to just lift it up and tilt it back. Well, that's all I see right there. Frame, the legs and all the inside of it. So here's what we end up with. And set this over here. So we got this pretty good sized chest. Gotta have a key to unlock the door. There's the legs. Got a little bunny rabbit and train cars. Must have been the place they built toys too. stuff. Ah, there's the rest of it. And the instruction manual. Now, a lot of people don't like to read instruction manuals. They don't feel like it's manly. But I ain't one of those type of people. I've learned over the years, pretty good sized little caster wheel there, that reading the instruction manual will save you a lot of hassle and time putting stuff together. 580-pound capacity, that's a pretty good sized cart. Yeah. They do have step 1. You see that? Number 1, use the 1/2-inch wrench to fasten the locking casters and swivel casters. Alright, so it says certain assembly steps may require assistance from another person. Yeah, I can imagine. Well, we're going to try to get by without having to have somebody help us. So, first step, and this is the bottom tray right here, is putting these casters onto that bottom tray. So, we'll get that done and see what it looks like. Okay, step 1 is complete. Got the casters mounted. They were a little bit frustrating just because they kept wanting to roll around on me. And I had to sit it on, kind of take it off the sawhorses to actually do the job. But okay, so step 2. Oh, you also want to make sure that the locking casters are on the same end of the tray. So I've got the locking casters on that end. These do not lock. It says, do not install the leg post to the bottom tray now. Fasten one support frame to the left leg post using the rounded bolts. Fasten the other support frame to the right leg post using rounded bolts. Fasten the bottom ends of the right leg post to the corners of the bottom tray. Alright guys, I got the legs on now. I want you to put the supports on before you bolt the legs to this bottom tray, and the only thing I can think of is just keep you from getting mixed up which way is what. I'm starting to take these drawers out. Got this last one to get out here. I'm going to show you. These are just like regular kitchen drawers. Got this little latch on the side. This one goes down, and this one goes up. So we'll get this last drawer out, and then we'll be ready to set this on that. That'll save you a lot of weight, because these things are heavy. Shut this, and this thing, this thing should just sit right in there. Hopefully. Yeah, that's much better. Gotta get the legs where they need to be. It's coming. That's where you really need 2 people. This thing is a little bit matter of putting the bolts in here, putting the drawers back in. See what she looks like. Alright guys, got it all together. I guess it took around an hour, maybe just a tad more than an hour to get it back together, but pretty happy with it. It looks well built. One thing I really like is every one of these nuts are self-locking nuts, so I shouldn't have to worry about them backing off and getting loose. The solid wheels, because I hate pneumatic roller wheels unless I'm on dirt, and then I hate solid wheels. But had a little bit of issue with this drawer, and didn't want to latch, but now I finally got it to work. The drawers are, I suspect that this is going to save a lot of room on my workbench, because like when I'm working on a vehicle, I run back and forth to get sockets, and then all my sockets pile up, and then I have to grab them up, bring them over here and dump them, and it usually ends up looking like this. So I'm gonna get me some organizers for this thing. We're gonna keep all my sockets together in one of these drawers. I like these small drawers, keep all my sockets in, my wrenches in another one, and maybe pliers or screwdrivers in another one. And be good to be able to put bigger parts and bigger tools up here in the top. And the good thing about it is got a nice little work surface if you're working on something. I've been using the parts washer, but that's kind of inconvenient because I usually have to put stuff in that parts washer, so I end up having to take the junk off the top. And it's lockable, so it's pretty nice for $100. Well worth the money. So there it is, guys. We got the lock wheels, and really I could have put the other lock wheel on the other corner there. It probably would have been a little better, but and I may end up having to do that. This thing does roll pretty easily though. I mean, you can see it rolls easy. Of course, there ain't no weight in it either. Of course, this floor is, you know, it's not level for crap. You got these damn divots and all in it, so nice little sturdy handle here where you need it. So if y'all looking for a nice little roll around work chest, I found the coupon to this in a magazine. A lot of the magazines will have Harbor Freight coupons in them, and I recommend that's the best place to find them, not in the, well, sometimes you can find them in the Harbor Freight sales circular they send to you, but I've seen better deals in the magazine ads than I have in their circulars. So yeah, alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more on this one. I'm gonna get in here and start cleaning up some junk.